Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the BAHIWOM outdoor speaker wire, 14 Aruban florins, 100 feet long. Perfect for your patio, garden, or backyard audio setup. Whether you're setting up a full outdoor surround sound system or just want quality audio. For your backyard gatherings, this wire promises durability, flexibility, and high performance. First off, let's talk construction. This wire is made from high-quality copper-clad aluminum, or CCA, which gives you a balance between conductivity and cost efficiency. It's designed to be tough and weather-resistant, featuring both UV and water resistance. That means it can handle sun, rain, and even occasional snow without degrading, making it ideal for permanent outdoor installations. The outer PVC jacket adds another layer of protection against the elements, ensuring your wire won't crack or split over time, even when buried underground or run along your exterior walls. Now, performance is critical with any speaker wire, and the BAHIWOM wire delivers. It's built to meet low signal loss requirements, so your music, movies, and podcasts sound clear and crisp, no matter how loud you crank your system. The 14-gauge thickness ensures that longer runs, like 100 feet, maintain strong audio performance without noticeable dropouts or distortion. Installation is surprisingly easy, even if you're a DIY enthusiast. The wire is flexible enough to maneuver around landscaping features, under trims, or through conduits without kinking or becoming a hassle. Plus, it's lightweight enough that managing a long run won't feel like a workout. For anyone setting up multiple speakers outdoors, this ease of use makes the installation process quick and clean. One small feature worth mentioning is the measurement markings along the wire. This makes it simple to know exactly how much cable you have left, helping avoid waste or guesswork when planning your layout. It's a small but practical addition that adds convenience, especially when working on larger audio projects. In terms of versatility, this wire isn't limited to just garden or patio setups. You can use it for outdoor monitoring, lawn sound systems, or even DIY car or home theater projects if you need a reliable, durable cable. Its CL3 rating also ensures it meets safety standards for in-wall installation, adding an extra layer of confidence for long-term use. Overall, the BAHIWOM 14 Aruban florins outdoor speaker wire balances rugged durability with high-quality performance. It's flexible, weather-resistant, and easy to work with, all while delivering clear, consistent sound. For anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor audio without worrying about maintenance or signal loss, this is a solid choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tech and audio reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.